Thinking about selling and wondering what you can do to spruce up the space to maximize your investment? Well, here's a look at a few outdoor projects that could give you the best return on your investment. First impressions are important, especially when selling, and this starts with the exterior of your house. So consider things like a healthy lawn and landscape upgrades. Buyers love outdoor spaces like patios or decks, which generally have the best return on investment. Keep in mind, it all depends on your local market trends, so it's important to talk to a professional in your area before you start so you know which updates have the biggest impact. Wherever your property is, contact me, and if it's outside of my area, I'll make sure to connect you with an agent who knows what the market is, listens to your needs, and can help you highlight the upgrades so your listing really stands out. Let's connect. 727-481-7533.